All right, now you do the video. Make a video.
A video.
What do you have?
One. You have them, and you got all the animals.
Yeah.
All the animals.
Yeah.
You have the animal. You have an animal. Whoa.
Take the top off. Take the top off. Take the top off and take the animals out. Show us what kind of animals are in there. All right, and put the top down. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
What animal is that?
A piggy.
Can you show me the piggy? Are you going to dump them all out first? Okay.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. What's the first animal?
The cow.
Okay, just hold it up. Hold it up so we can see it.
Cow.
Are you sure that's a cow? Kind of, well, yeah, I guess that's a cow. What does the cow say?
Moo.
All right. Now what animal's next? No, get back over there. Do the rest of the animals.
A pig.
Okay, what does the pig say?
Oink, oink.
No, get back over there. Get back over there. Jamey, get back over there. No, you go do the video. Make the video.
Oh.
You gotta make a video of you doing the animals. Showing the animals. You'll get to watch it when we're done. Go do the dog and the cat and the donkey.
A donkey.
Where's the donkey?
A donkey. A donkey.
It's gray. There you go. What does the donkey say? Oh, that's not a donkey. That's a goat.
Oh, the goat say.
What does the goat say?
Bleh, bleh.
Yeah. Here, the other gray one. That's the donkey.
What's donkey?
What does the donkey say?
Bleh.
No. Hee-haw.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Now, let's try this one. What animal is it?
What animal is that?
What animal is it?
A cow. What does the cow say?
Moo. Now, let's try another animal. What's that animal?
I don't know. What is that animal?
What's that animal?
Can you tell me what that animal is?
A horse.
A horse. What does a horse say?
Nah. Let's try another one. Let's try. What is animal?
Is that another horse?
Nay. Now, let's try sheep.
Okay. What does a sheep say?
Time for another animal. What is that animal?
A bunny rabbit. What does a bunny rabbit do?
Bouncing.
Bouncing? How does show me a bunny rabbit bounce?
Now, let's try this.
Oh, what is that?
A turkey.
A turkey? Let me see it. Turn it around. Get your hand off the front of it. Is it a turkey or a chicken?
A chicken.
It's a chicken. That's right. What does a chicken say?
Like, well. Now, I got these animals.
You forgot two of them. The dog and the cat. Where's the dog?
Over there.
Yeah. Turn it around so I can see it.
What dog say? Now, let's try the cat.
Yeah.
What the cat say? Meow, meow.
You're all sweaty. What's your favorite animal?
This one is a cow.
Uh-huh. You like the black and white cow?
You want some milk?
Yeah.
The milk cow.
That's it. It is a
Okay.
milk cow. Are you going to give the cow some milk? That's a good idea.
Milk is good.
Milk is good.
Now, piggy, go sleep.
The piggy's going to sleep? Okay. What does a pig say when he sleeps? He snores pretty quietly for a pig.
Now, let's start the chicken. Start, eat the chicken.
Eat the chicken. What's your favorite part of the chicken?
Some french fries.
I don't think french fries come from chickens.
They can eat them.
Oh, does the chicken like to eat french fries? Chickens eat corn and seeds and bugs.
Bugs.
Mm-hmm.
You have some bugs?
I don't have any bugs.
Now, let's try the bees.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's try the goat.
Nope, that's the donkey.
There's donkey.
Yeah, you got a donkey.
This donkey
What's the donkey gonna do?
and this tail.
Mm-hmm. Does he have a pink bow on his tail like Eeyore does? No?
I'm gonna get you another tail.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Where's the tail?
I don't know.
This tail.
He got a tiny little tail, don't he? It's cute.
Time for this dog. The dog. What the dog is thinking.
I don't know. What is the dog thinking?
I'm just there.
Yeah.
Another one.
A lot of times dogs like to chase their tails. So they run in circles.
There's another tail.
Another tail. Yeah. Which one has the cutest tail?
This one.
That one.
Now inside another animal.
Okay.
This is a dog.
It is.
And this is the goat. It's cute.
It is cute.
Now let's try another animal. Now let's try the pig.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the pig on this tail.
Does the pig have a curly tail?
There. There's a tail with a tail. There's use tail.
Isn't it funny that the dog and the chicken are the same size as the cow and the goat and the donkey and the horse?
The animals. What this tail?
What's the donkey thinking?
And this tail.
About his tail? Mm-hmm. Who is the dog's best friend?
Blue.
Blue?
That's
like
blue.
Oh, like Blue's Clues. Aha. That makes sense.
What's this color?
Blue.
What's this color?
Yellow?
A dog. A dog.
Yep.
What's this animal?
A dog.
Now, we've got blue and yellow.
Right? What color does blue and yellow make?
Green.
That's right.
And then turn on the puppy.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm going to put the clean blue. And when you're going to glue on it. I know this blue clues.
You like Blue's Clues?
I got the words in something and no, yeah. Never.
What you got right there? What is that?
Cheers.
Yeah, what kind of shoes did you get?
A first cheer.
Who's on your shoes?
Batman.
Yeah. Cool.
That's banana.
Are you killing the chicken so you can eat it? No.
Sounds very good. I'm going to eat them. The bead.
You mean the seeds? Mm-hmm.
Eat the seed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to eat the seed.
Yeah. Is he gonna eat seeds or bugs?
Look.
Bugs? What kind of bugs do you think he should eat? Ants? What does the donkey eat?
Cheerios.
Cheerios. I bet donkeys love Cheerios. What does the kitty cat eat?
Yep, some corn.
Corn. Okay. What does a pig eat?
We eat them. Now let's try the horse.
What's the horse gonna eat?
Yep, some carrots.
Oh, the horse is gonna eat carrots.
Now let's try the cow.
Okay, what does the cow gonna eat?
Yep, some grass.
Grass. Oh, that's good.
And want more grass?
Mm-hmm.
We have some grass on here. The cow want to eat the grass?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's eat the grass.
Hey, not really. Alright, this video is almost 15 minutes long. I think we're all done. Say goodbye to your video.
Bye.